Hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Hope you're doing good and well and happy in your life as well. Today I came up with a new topic which is not new practically. It is available in platforms since Vancouver, I can say, or earlier than it as well. But now I was exploring this thing, even though this topic is mainly for the development perspective, not from the business consultant perspective. But I think let me dirty my hands in this area and share my knowledge with the community on this particular part. Today, I bring a topic called decision table. Decision tables are one of the key factors which reduce the efforts of a developer by putting multiple if else kind of a conditions. This is something where you don't need to be write a big code to see if this is matching, then this should be happen. If this is happening, then this should be happen. For example, I don't want that changes where the risk is high and priority is 1 should go in the cap. Even though I can mention this in my flow or the workflow as well, but few of the things which I can use in the decision table to make it more better. I remember one example specifically on the delegation part. I worked on a project that was a capex and the opex project, and we have to build a condition that is somewhere I'm talking about 2014 or 15, that if a requester is raising a request for 1 million, or I can say let's reduce that amount to be understand. If a requester is raising a request for 50,000 approval, then it should be go by X person. If 50 to 1 lakh, it go to the Y person. If 1 lakh to 2 lakh, it go to that Z person. And from 2 lakh to 5 lakh, it go to the A person. And above 5 lakh, it go to the B person. Now these things can be taken care in the if condition as well. But to make it a little bit more easy, we can do this particular part in the decision table as well. And I see some of the examples in the Creator Studio challenge as well, where people use the decision table to make it more better, more clear as well. So I bring this topic in front of you to understand a little bit more. If I go somewhere wrong, please provide your inputs on this particular part so that I can improve it in the next part as well. So let's come back to the demo here. So this is my instance. I'm on the Yokohama patch 2 at point of time, and we are going to be start with the decisions. So number one, decision, where it is available, it is actually decision management. Under the decision management, we have a decision builder. Decision builder is something which is available part of the workflow studio. So decision builder is big. Under that, we are going to be discuss about the decision table. So number one, it is available standalone as well. Yes, you can go here and search for the decision tables. So you can go under this as well if you want to go in the flow perspective, because that is what the new interface is there. So you can go on this particular part here. The good point is that we can use the decision tables in our flow as well. So we will see that how you can use it. But if I want to show you here something, let me pick up one flow quickly. Let me take campaign approval. Just taking an example as of now. And if I go here and add a condition, let's say add an action in the flow logic, I can add make a decision. And when I click on the make a decision, I can put my decision label and I can put my decision table. If something new is coming here is that now no need to be go to the back and create it. You can click on the new action here as well. And from here as well, you can create the decision table directly. It means no need to be go to workflow homepage, workflow studio homepage, then click and then do the things. So we are going to be create a new decision table as well, because the benefit is that you can use the part of the flow in this particular decision table. Now I come back here, click on this, and I can close this. Yep. And now you can see playbook, flow, subflow, trigger, action, and decision tables are there. I can click from here as well. I can go from here as well. I can click from here as well. Click on the decision table. Easy, something I explored new, so I would like to be share with everybody. click on the, so it's showing, it is has some 15, it's showing some filter to me. Decision table is fine. So it is, means it is just showing the decision tables only as of now. So you can see something, one, deployment pipeline are there, enterprise are there, setup MFA policies are not, that was the things we can do. Click on the new and decision table. It will open and it can show you something like this. So label LNG Pathshala. I can put description here, in which scope you want to create it. Because I'm in the global scope, it's going that accessible from all scope. I said yes. Enable draft authoring. What this mean? If this is enabled, you can author your decision table in a draft format before you publish it. Means you can come back and you can make a changes as well before you publish it. So if this is enabled, you can author your decision table, means you can change your decision table in the draft format as well. So click on the build decision table here. Now when I open this, you can see a interface here. Definitely we are more familiar about the flow and the actions or the subflow as well. So this page will discuss about the decision table. I can see, because it is in the draft state now, so I can see it is showing the draft as a highlighted, publish is a grayed out. I can test it. I can get a draft as well. Again, I can save it, publish it, and here I can see the properties as well. I can get duplicate as well. I can get C related objects, because there is nothing as of now in this one, so it will not show any object to me. Now it has two things, input and decision table. Input means that on which parameters you want to evaluate your decision. Like if I take an example that I want, let's say I have a catalog item. In this catalog item, I have a age as one of the parameter, one of the variable. I have a color as one of the parameter, and then I have a memory as one of the parameters. So these three are my parameters. So I can click on the add input, label name LNG1. What type of input it is? Is it a choice, currency, date, time, decimal? So these are the data types available. So I can say it is a reference. A reference, then what table you want to be referring? I want to be referring with the user input. User, sys user. Sorry, it's not sys underscore user. So this is what I'm referring here. And if you want to put the filter, yes, I don't want to show, or I want to be show only and only the users where time zone, or let's say department is, sorry, let me go, department is HR. I want to show only those inputs. So we can do the filtration here. Is it mandatory to be passed when you're testing it, when you are putting in your decision table? Is it should be mandatory? I said yes. Do you want to be add additional column, add another what I can say condition column? You can add it. So I'm saying that user reference operator is, I said is start with. I can put it. So but I'm not doing anything here. And you can put the reference record as well. You can put the field as well. What field you want to be referring in the user table? I want referring to the department, and department is yes. So I can put this thing. Now if you want, you can delete as well. I want to put the another field as well. Let's say LNG2. This thing I said choice, and then in the choice I can create the new choice as well, or I can refer to the existing choice. I want to refer to the existing choices. Okay, I am referring to the incident table choice. Okay, what field I want to be refer? In the one I want to be refer the priority, and then I can click here and done. So two inputs are there. Now what is good point in the decision table is that let's save it first. Otherwise, if network didn't work, then it will be auto close as well. Now you can see decision table, export. if let's say I have in the capex and opex, I have multiple entries, multiple condition, and if you want to be write everything here, it will be so problematic. So what service now say, you can export the format here itself. Click on export, create a table structure, export, and then import. Click on the export. It means only decision row are edited, but not the inputs. It means this particular format will be able to help you, this only, not above part. What this means basically, that if you are getting a decision table, this is what the condition and this is what the result. So I can put a condition on the LNG1. What condition I want to put? Department is HR. If a user department is HR, then I want to show a result. What column you want to be find? LNG3. LNG3. And I want that if this is the case, then assignment, sorry, select type. I want to be go for the reference, and what reference is assignment group. Sorry, assignment group table, sorry. Sys user group table. And here also you can put your filter condition as well, that I want to be show only the groups which are active, type is this or that. Now if you want to be download this, let me save this first. Only after saving you can download. Click on the export, create Excel import, and it is exporting the things for me. So now I can show that it has been exported, and you can see this is what is my value. So here I can add more details. If department, sorry, enable editing. If department is start with customer support, result I want to be put as the survey creator, because we are referring to the group table here, to the taxonomy admins. Department is not finance, then I want to be fix it as a US president group 2. And now I save it. I go back to my instance, click on the import, browse a file. This is what is my download here. I can click open and import. You can see my 2 records get generated automatically. This is what the benefit of this particular part. Add a new decision row. So this is working on the LNG 1. I want to be add a new decision row. I can add it like this, or I can click on this, or I can click on this, or if you want, it's a ranking one. So ranking, why ranking is required? Because when we evaluate this particular decision table, or when the variables has a value or the field has a value, it will go in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I move it up and down? Yes, I can move up and down as well. Drag and drop to gripper. Like this. Or if you want, let me put a condition more. Because it is working on the LNG1. I want to be edited. See, it is working on input only, LNG1 only. So mainly, if you want, you can use one input only at a one point, so that you can evaluate your parts easily. Or if you want to be add more, you can add more as well. So let me close this. So this is what is my part, and let me default results. If nothing is matching, you can put the default results. Service desk. This is what I can say here. You can add multiple rows by clicking this as well, or you can remove as well. Delete row, delete row, delete row, and so that I don't have a, oh my god, I had it this much things. I'm adding it, I'm deleting it, sorry. Oh, duplicate row, sorry, it's my bad. I'm doing the duplicate. Let me remove this environment marker to the other side, bottom right. So instead of removing, I am adding it. So delete, yes, delete, so that I just have a minimum one. So now this is my case. Now click on the save. So now you can see that I have an input of the user reference, and then on the user reference I have this thing. Now I will test it. I can, so this is what it's showing, that where you want, how you want to be tested. Do you want to test on the published one, or you want to test on the draft version only? I want to be test on the draft only. Okay. Return the first decision that matches. Two options. Number one, if you want to know only one-to-one results, then first decision match. If you want to know everything, then you go for the all decision match. So let me try this. I might be wrong, I might be right. So I'm taking the username John and LNG2 critical and test it. So you can say the results are there. It means taxonomy admin. What is mentioning? Taxonomy admin, this one. So let's say what was the John department. So we take a user John Murphy. Okay. This one. So let me add the department. Yes, so you can see its department is HR. Now let's put John Chipsey under test. What's the right name? John H. Why it's showing only one? Okay, because it's showing one, we have a condition here where department is that only. So that's why it's not showing the thing. So now if I run this test again, return all, and let's say put some other name, test, still it's showing 1 and 2 results. So if you want to be see the results more than one, then you can go by this way, because we're not using the LNG2 anywhere as of now. We're not evaluating it in our decision, so it is not showing, it's not, so we are just taking the value of 1. But if you want, you can put the condition for the decision, sorry, for this as well, and put as a mandatory. And now let's save and see, do we get something different? So now you can see it's a mandatory test, taxonomy admin, because these are from the HR1. Now if you want, I can see the properties of the decision table here, which is similar as my workflow, the flow only. I can see the related object here. Related means it's not using any other objects here as of now. I can duplicate it, and now I can publish it. Publish. And when I publish, you can see it's showing published, and you can go and click on the test again, and it's showing active as well. So now it's a published one, not draft one. So return this. It will show only limited records because all are belong from the one department only. This is what we put the condition. So this is what it's showing, LNG3 the results. So I can get again a draft, means if I want to be change it something more, it is something similar that in the workflow we have check out and do. Some same thing is applicable, create draft. And now I can make a change in this additional part only. And here I can go and check the history as well, that how this has been done. Exported import history is there in this particular part. Now it is working on the user department. This is what we have a condition here. Let me show you. Choice, this thing, I'm not sure that why it's not showing me for the full fledged, asking just me to delete it or to add another condition, but it should show me that as well. And if you want to add more decisions, you can add a different row. Decision is because it is, as of now, it is only on the user department. It is not taking any input from the this one, choice one. So we have to make sure that we have a if you want to be used more, you can click on somewhere. I can see there's a no other option to be add one more input. No. So generally what my knowledge says as of now, because I'm still exploring it, that we cannot add more than one, because it is not okay. Add column after this. Okay. And now I can put for the LNG4 and LNG4, and now I can take an input from the choice as well, and done. And here I can say HR and input is moderate, then it should show me this thing. So what this means basically, if I want to be put some decisions on the incident table where caller, department and priority is this, then I want to be put the group like this, I can put my conditions here. So I can add column before edits as well. If I want to be add more results, so I can say LNG5, and I can put what type of results I want, choice, decimal, due dates, or what you want. I can put the string and 40. So in this case, I will have two outputs, save it and test it. So John Murphy and critical and test. It's showing blank because we are not setting up any value in the results here. LNG Pathshala demo. So this is what I want the result should become, and I can click on the save as well, and then I can test it. The only thing, the benefit is that now if you export it, click export, and you can see all the fields here. See, so you can make a change here and you can do your work easily in this particular part. If LNG department name start with customer support is not there, so you can add multiple things here, multiple conditions here, and upload it. Your work will be done, and there are some instructions as well that what you can use, what you cannot use in the different parameters. And then, as I say in the beginning as well, we can use this particular decision table in our flow to avoid any kind of a if else loop. We can use this decision table in the changes as well. We can use this decision table in the capex opex as well. We can use this decision table when it comes for the catalog items as well, like how much budget for a employee for getting the mobile phone or the laptops on this particular part, what designation he has, how much tenure he has completed in the service in the company. So all these things can be doable here. So this is what is coming from my side, guys, on this particular part. It's a very small topic which I explore a little bit and I want to share with you. If you like it, definitely put in the comments. If you want to connect with me, you can connect on the YouTube as well. You can connect on the LinkedIn. If you want to go for one-to-one bookings, I have on the top mat. And if you want to just enjoy something on my other YouTube channel, that is what is here, you can enjoy here as well. Till then, thank you so much. Have a nice day, and we'll come back again with some other video. Bye bye.